Sandboxels and Sandbox are two of the most popular falling sand games in the world. And usually, falling sand games simulate scientific principles with pixels on screen. And that probably makes you wonder, which one of the two games are more realistic? So in this video, I will be comparing Sandboxels and Sandbox on the basis of realism. Without any further ado, let's go. First of all, let's talk about how liquid fall in both of these games. In Sandbox, the water pixels stay in a line while falling down. In Sandboxels, the water pixels kind of spread around. Technically, both of these games are correct on how they simulate liquid falling. When a liquid like water falls onto a flat or uneven surface, it spreads outward in all directions. Water will fall or flow in a narrow line, a stream or droplet trail, if it is constrained, such as pouring water through a narrow hole. Since both of are technically correct, I will give a point to both. Point 2. Gas physics. Let's talk about gas flow in both of these games. In Sandbox, methane gas kind of scatters and moves upwards. Gas movement depend on the element in Sandboxels. But for gases like methane, it's mostly the same as Sandbox, but the pixels spread out even more. Methane gas is lighter than air with a specific gravity of about 0.55, where air is 1.0. So methane naturally moves upwards and scatters quickly. So once again, both games are correct. So I will give a point to both games. Point 3. Staining feature. In Sandboxels, when sand comes into contact with water, it gets wet. But in Sandbox, when sand comes into contact with water, literally nothing happens. So this is an easy victory for Sandboxels. Sandboxels barely defeated Sandbox in this video. There are still a whole lot of things I want to cover, but they wouldn't fit in one video. So comment down below if you want a part 2. And that concludes today's video. If you enjoyed, consider liking this video. I talk about falling sand games all the time, so if you like games like these, you will like my content. Anyways, bye.